Okay, let's do a quick knowledge test. Suppose you are given a snippet of code. So you need to find out which variable is global, local, and built-in. So what is the first one? Player underscore name. Global. Player underscore name is global variable because it is defined outside the function. What about role? Go ahead. Don't shy. Go ahead. Built-in? Role, do you see the definition built-in somewhere? Do you see its definition? What is role here? Where is role? Where do you see role in this code?
Definition.
So definition means like you are defining it. So do you think is it something built-in or is something that you are defining it? So it's clearly not built-in because you're defining it, right? So now built-in is filtered out. You have only two options left, global or local.
It's global.
Okay. Anyone else? Huh? So what does global mean? Global mean something which is globally accessible. Okay? So this is a function, its definition. I can call this function anywhere in my code. It's globally accessible. So that is why it is referred as global variable. Okay? So function name, function definition itself is always a global unless you define any function within a function. Okay? So you are doing, this is a global variable, and whatever is defined inside it has a different term. So what is number here? Huh? Number is local because it is defined inside this function. What about str? It's a built-in function which converts the data into a string data type, just like integer and float. Okay?